Hello everyone, welcome to the BlackHat path. Till now we have completed Linux and Python basics. Now we are moving into actual cybersecurity concepts, and in this video we will understand how hackers actually start an attack. In this video we will cover information gathering, passive and active reconnaissance, phishing attack, and social engineering. These are very important because every cyber attack starts from here. Before attacking any system, a hacker first collects information about the target. This step is called information gathering or reconnaissance. You can think of it like planning before attacking. If you don't have information, you cannot attack effectively. Now, there are two types of information gathering. First is passive reconnaissance. In passive reconnaissance, the attackers does not directly interact with the target. Instead, they collect information from publicly available sources. For example, looking at DNS records, reading news about the company, checking job postings. This is like observing from a distance. The target does not even know that someone is collecting information. The second type is active reconnaissance. Here, the attacker directly interacts with the target system. Example, connecting to servers, trying to access services, calling employees. This is more risky because the target can detect this activity. This is like checking doors and windows to find entry points. So the main difference is passive is safe and hidden, and active is risky and detectable. Hackers usually start with passive and then move to active. Now let's move to phishing. Phishing is one of the most common cyber attacks. In phishing, attackers try to trick users into revealing sensitive information like passwords, OTPs, bank details. They usually do this using fake emails, messages, or websites. There are different types of phishing attacks like vishing, smishing, Pharming, and whaling. Phishing means phishing using voice call. Smishing is phishing using SMS messages. Pharming is fake website that looks like real one. And whaling is targeting important people like CEO and celebrities. Now comes social engineering. This is one of the most powerful attack techniques. In social engineering, attackers manipulate people instead of hacking system. They exploit human psychology like trust, fear, urgency. Example, pretending to be a bank staff, asking for OTP, sending urgent messages. You might have seen messages like your account will be blocked, click this link immediately, you won a prize. These are common social engineering tricks. These messages create urgency so people don't think before acting. Some other techniques are also used like hoaxes, fake alert or fake newses, shoulder surfing, watching someone entering passwords, and dumpster diving, which is getting information from trash. So, what did we learn is every attacker starts with information gathering. Hackers use both passive and active methods. Humans are the weakest link, and awareness is the best protection. So, this was the first step of cybersecurity, understanding how attackers think and gather information. In the next video, we will learn more about malwares and technical attacks. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, stay sharp, and this is the BlackHat Path.